Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have gotten another exciting airdrop opportunity for you. As you can see, it's called Beamable. This one's a big deal. As you can see, it's raised around 13.5 million in funding. And the best of all, it's a confirmed airdrop. So trust me, you don't want to miss out on this. If you check out their backend investors, you will spot names like Bitcraft Ventures, Solana Foundation, and several others. If you head over their X handle, you notice they are pretty active about sharing their achievements and updates. And as you can see, they also have partnered with Sui Network, so that's another positive sign. If you want to stay updated on the latest crypto airdrops, make sure to join our Telegram channel. You can also visit our blog where we post crypto related updates regularly. All the links are in the description, so be sure to check them out. So how do you get in on this airdrop? It's actually super simple. First, visit their sign up page. I'll drop the joining link in the description, so make sure to check it out. Once you are there, all you need to verify your email. After that, pick a username of your choice and you are ready to move forward. That's easy, right? Once you are signed up, you will land on the dashboard like this. From here, click start and you will see a bunch of tasks waiting for you to complete. So first I need to connect my X account. Then hit claim reward. Then claim reward again. And that's it. As you can see, I earned 250 points. Now there are quite a few tasks to tackle, but I'll skip through some of them here so this video doesn't drag on too long. So as you can see, once you have knocked out all the tasks like I have done here, you will need to claim your onboarded reward. Just click here and done. After that, head over the earn points section. And check out the quest tab. As you can see, there are a few more tasks to complete there too. Plus, don't miss the daily section. You can claim points every single day. And that's it for this video, guys. If I get any new updates, I'll be share with you. And make sure you join our Telegram channel. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.